welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, welcome. I'm Isabel and I'm the travel blogger at Bel Around The World. After traveling full-time for the past 8 years and blogging at the same time about travel, I now make it my mission to share tips on how I blog online and how I earn money online so that you can do the same, because I fervently believe in creating a lifestyle freedom and I want to show you that it's possible. So today we're going to talk about why having a website is essential for any kind of business, or even if you are a blogger and you have a lot of stories to share. Why is having a blog, why is having a website essential, and how to get started. We'll be discussing why having a website is important and how it can benefit your business. Online presence. In today's world, having a website is the easiest and most effective way to establish an online presence for your business. Having a website makes your business more accessible to potential customers who are searching for products or services online. By having a website, you can reach a wider audience and attract more visitors to your site. This can lead to increased brand awareness and more opportunities to convert visitors into customers. Having a strong online presence is crucial as it helps to build brand awareness, attract new customers, and generate more revenue for your business. Credibility and trust. Having a professional-looking website adds credibility and trust to your business. Customers are more likely to trust and do business with a company that has a well-designed and informative website. Because a website can provide valuable information about your business and what you have to offer. This can help potential customers make informed decisions about whether to do business with you. By providing clear and concise information about your products or services and customer reviews, you can build trust and credibility with your audience. Your website can act as a platform for customer testimonials and reviews, which further builds trust and reinforces your brand's reputation. Thirdly, a website can be optimized for search engines, making it easier for potential customers to find you online. By using relevant keywords and phrases in your website content, you can improve your search engine rankings and appear higher in search results. This can increase the visibility of your business and attract more targeted traffic to your site. Cost-effective marketing. A website is one of the most cost-effective marketing tools available for your business. Unlike traditional marketing methods such as print ads or billboards, a website can be updated and modified at any time without incurring additional costs. Additionally, a website allows you to reach a wider audience at a lower cost, making it an effective tool for both small and large businesses. Competitive advantage. Having a website can give your business a competitive advantage over your competitors who don't have one. A well-designed website that is optimized for search engines can help your business rank higher in search results, making it easier for potential customers to find you online. Additionally, having a website can help you showcase your products or services in a way that sets you apart from your competitors. A website can provide a platform for customer engagement and communication by including things such as chat forms, contact forms, live chat, or other communication channels on your site. You can make it easy for customers to get in touch with you and ask questions. This can help build relationships with your customers and create a positive customer experience, which can lead to more repeat business and referrals. Increased sales and revenue. Having a website can ultimately lead to increased sales and revenue for your business. A website allows customers to purchase products or services online. which can increase your sales and revenue. Additionally, a website can act as a platform for upselling and cross-selling, allowing you to promote additional products or services to customers who are already interested in what you have to offer. In conclusion, having a website is essential for any business that wants to succeed in today's digital age. A website can help establish an online presence, build credibility and trust, provide cost-effective marketing, give a competitive advantage, and ultimately lead to increased sales and revenue. Don't miss out on the benefits of having your website for your business.